Hey guys, welcome to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video, we are going to do a Thrive Market unboxing. The boys absolutely love getting these Thrive Market boxes every week, and it's like a treasure box. They get so excited of snacks. So we love Thrive Market because where we live, we only have Walmart. And if you're like me, you want healthier options for your kiddos that want to have snacks. And so Thrive Market works for us. It's affordable. They have so many good options and they're delivered right to our home. Now this video isn't sponsored by Thrive Market, but I love them so much and I want to share them with you guys that I did ask them for a link for you guys. And if you sign up and start ordering Thrive Market, you get 30% off your first order, and I think you get a free gift. Now with Thrive Market, I do believe you have to pay a membership. It's been so long. We've been using Thrive Market for, I don't know, 5 years? Yeah. For years. And you can sign up for an annual membership or monthly. I know I just do the annual one-time thing. It's cheaper. But I just wanted to throw that out there. I do have a link for you guys below if you're interested in ordering through Thrive Market. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it because they're itching to see what's in here.
Lucy, you can't be any candy.
That you have the option to have your favorite things shipped to you every week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks. They have so many options and it makes us busy moms have an easier life when it comes to picking out healthier snacks for our kiddos, because that's super important to me and I know it probably is you guys too. So we're gonna head and get started. I know they can't wait. So we're gonna show you some of our favorite things that we get all the time.
Chips.
Siete, one of my favorite brands. We love these chips. We make our favorite nachos with these chips.
Next,
we got seaweed.
Seaweed. Man, my mom loves that.
Yep. Dylan eats it every once in a while.
Yeah. Got some popcorn here.
I read labels, so if you're a label reader, you're gonna love Thrive Market. Some of these brands, it's crazy. Some of these brands have good ingredients, and then you'll look at the same brand that might be slightly different, and it kind of they sneak in some bad stuff. So always read your labels.
Next one, we got cheese puffs.
Cheese puffs.
Chocolate chip cookies. These ones we like also.
Oh, Simple Mills is a really good brand.
Crackers.
Graham crackers. Who likes these?
Me.
And Daddy.
Yes, Corey loves these. So this is for him.
Popcorn. We love popcorn. Buttered popcorn.
Yep.
Homemade pizza.
We might have this for supper tonight.
Yes.
Yes. This is pizza dough that we love. So busy moms that don't have time to make their pizza dough. This one is so good.
What do I call these?
These are like mini graham crackers.
Yeah.
Again, Simple Mills.
Some jerky sticks.
Yep. Who likes the green ones? You like the green ones? So these ones are turkey jerky sticks.
These I like. These are I'm probably the only one that eats them. They're crackers, like salted crackers.
Cheddar crackers.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good. Gummies.
Yeah.
Yep. Yum Earth fruit snacks.
Unreal milk chocolate gems.
Yep, these are kind of like healthy M&Ms.
Yeah.
I love them.
I do too.
Some
More popcorn. Yep.
Our favorite chips.
Our favorite chips, meaning Gavin's favorite chips. No, they're really good.
Yeah.
And they have different
They have different flavors.
Yep.
Popsicles.
Yes, these are really good popsicles. Called Good Pop. These are good.
Fruit circles. I'm the only one that likes them, but I could eat a whole box. I love them.
Granola bars.
Yep.
I love these so much.
Salmon packs.
Oh, what is this?
Let's see. It's a small haul. Okay.
What do we got? What do we got? Looks like some tomato sauce.
Yep.
I'm gonna guess this is
Tomato sauce.
Pizza sauce.
pizza sauce for our pizza.
It is.
So this was a smaller little haul that we ordered this time.
You thought that was a lot of snacks? That's not really a lot compared to the biggest one.
So these are a few of our favorite things. This was a more of a smaller haul that we get from Thrive Market. We use them a lot for snack swaps. I can't get a lot of good stuff from our local Walmart, so that's why I love Thrive Market. You can also get frozen stuff, cold stuff from Thrive Market. You can order by maybe your diet type, maybe if you're gluten-free or you follow keto. They have frozen vegetables, and they just have
Everything.
they have lots and lots and lots to choose from. So we like Thrive Market here. Like, it makes it so easy for me as a busy mom that still wants their kids to eat really healthy. And I love being in the kitchen, and I cook about every meal, don't I?
Yeah.
But sometimes there are times that I'm busy and I just can't. So having healthy options around the house makes me feel better about them wanting snacks.
Yeah.
So, what were you gonna say, Dylan?
Was this like not a lot compared to what we normally
Yeah, we usually get a lot more. We love Thrive Market around here, and we just wanted to share about it just in case maybe you live in a small town like we do and there's not a lot of healthy options. Thrive Market is our go-to, and link is below if you'd like to sign up for Thrive Market and get 30% off your first order and a free gift. Comment below, what is your favorite snack?